Hello, entrepreneurs. Joe DeChara coming to you live from downtown Flushing, New York. And I don't have my microphone plugged in here. Hold on 1 second. All right, we'll start over. Hello, entrepreneurs. Joe DeChara coming to you live from downtown Flushing, New York with another amazing version of tax season mayhem. Welcome. If you're watching live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching the replay, give me a hashtag replay. I'm in the middle of tax season already, folks. This is amazing. Never before in history have I started doing tax returns on January 10th, yesterday, which was supposed to be my day off. But anyway, unfortunately, the next 3 months is the time of the year that people do not look forward to unless you're getting a tax refund. And to me, if you're getting a tax refund, all you did was you gave the government an interest-free loan. So it dawned on me, I need to talk about this. And, if you don't know me, I am a CPA. I've been trying to change the world since I was a little kid. And then about a year and a half ago, I realized that I just do bookkeeping and tax preparation. And I'm an entrepreneuraholic, and that's why I do this stuff. I talk about this. I believe that solopreneurs, new business owners, are at a great disadvantage to begin with. And so I've taken it upon myself to just talk about this stuff, the warning signs, the stuff that's happening, the stuff that's going to happen, because none of this should be a surprise to people. And that's, I'll be talking about this again and again, about the need to be prepared. And today, let me see if I can get this up here. We are going to cover, so this is real, folks. I talked about this a couple of weeks ago. Now we actually have the new form, and it's called the 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation. Now, to most people, this might not mean anything, but I've been seeing the trend here for years. And it all has to do really with what's going on in California, believe it or not, with the government trying to identify who is working as an independent contractor for two reasons now. In the past, it was almost impossible for the government to regulate, the issuance of 1099s. It was very, very difficult, hard to police. It's not that difficult anymore because of technology, folks. So this form, this is just another step in the process of making. So I said there's two reasons. Number one, they want to identify the underground economy, the people that never report income, the people that make mistakes, the sole proprietors. That's who they are targeting, the 25 million sole proprietors. And now what they did was they just made a special form for us, or for you, not for, because I am not a sole proprietor. I am a solopreneur. I'm a small business owner. So who else should be aware of this? Well, if you're paying anyone that is not a corporation, you need to be filing this. And I'm not going to go into, all of the details. I just, this was sort of just like a warning shot to let people know. So I said, well, what would I do if I'm just running my own small business and I don't have an accountant, or, I do everything myself? Well, I'm going to go to the IRS website and see what I got to do. And there are a lot of smart people out there that can do that. And I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The form itself looks pretty simple, right? Simple. But, if you want to make sure that you're following all the rules and instructions, this is what I found. Okay, now, okay. This is what I found on the IRS website. Let me make this bigger, a little bigger, because you could see the form is all the way down here. I had to go through all of this. And now what I was looking for was the 1099 NEC information. How do I do this? What are the, and I do have to read this. Most of this is, it hasn't changed in 35 years. But, and there is a paper version. So if you like paper like I do, you could look at the print version. And it's 13 pages. Now, this is just one little rule in the compliance gauntlet. Okay, one little thing. And it seems like a very simple administrative task. But if you read between the lines, people, there's questions on your tax return that ask you as a business owner, did you pay anybody that requires a 1099? And if you answer no, and you were, that's an audit flag. That's an audit flag. And there's many ways that they could find out that you were supposed to. And we'll cover that in another amazing episode of Joe DiChiara Presents. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. Over and out. God bless. Thank you.